Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim up a tenderloin butt. What is a tenderloin butt? This is it here. It would connect to the T-bone. So this is half an eye fillet or a half a tenderloin, and the rest would be on the left on the bone to make into T-bones. So this is what comes off the end, but again, I think this is one of the coolest cuts that you can get because it makes really super thick eye fillet or tenderloin steak. So let's get in there and show you how a quick demo on how to trim this up and get it ready for steaks. So what you got here is the big chunky part of it, and then you've got this gristle over the top of the eye fillet or tenderloin. So we're just going to take that off. Again, open it up as much as you can. Cut there. I always cut the ends off. And we're going to start under here and run your knife that way. So under, done. Just like that. And then come down this way. You can see the gristle. It's on every piece of eye fillet. Strange, one of the most tenderest cuts has this gristle on it. But taken off properly, it's awesome. So just come down here, the inside of it, and you just take it all off there. And spin it around. And do the same on this side. So this is what it's called, an eye fillet butt. Don't get it confused with the Boston butt because that's off pork. And then on here you got a little bit underneath here. Can you see that there? So we're just going to come down. It's just how this muscle is formed. And go like that. Trim it off. And then it's all ready now to steak. So you can start at either end. We'll just straighten this up here. Get your big knife and do 2 fingers again. Nice. Yep, 2 fingers again. So this is really cool. One of the coolest ways to get eye fillet steak. And then we'll do a skinnier one. So there you go. That's off the tenderloin butt. You can get these cool big eye fillet or tenderloin steaks. Really cheap way of doing it. Hope you really like that cool video. Nice little tip of mine. We'll catch up in the next video.